Hey you, my name is Emily, the Drone Angel, and welcome to your one-stop shop for everything drone related. Today I'm going to be talking about hand launching and hand catching a drone by hand with an easy step-by-step guide. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when new videos come up. And with that being said, let's go on a little field trip. So let's get started. Today I'm going to teach you how to hand launch and hand catch the Phantom 4 Pro. My Mavic 2 Pro is currently broken, but I'm still going to teach you the techniques that you need to know to hand launch and hand catch this little beast. It's important that you have open and safe space to practice the art of hand launching. I recommend driving to a big open field, but if you're stuck at home, utilize the space around you. Check out your backyard or front yard. You want to have at least 8 to 10 feet around you in case something goes wrong. That means no pets or kids around. Now it's time to start your drone. Turn on the remote before starting the drone. The reason we do this is because the remote establishes a connection with the drone and assesses its location. So let's say you lose connection with your drone while flying. Your drone will know where your registered home point is. I hold the remote in my left hand, hug it close to my stomach like so, and then I take my right arm and kind of hug the side of the remote. And I let the drone have enough space where it's in front of me, where the propellers are far away from my face, because I don't want to get scratched up. Then I click the auto takeoff. Now, even though my Mavic 2 Pro is currently broken, I'm going to show you the same techniques you would use to hand launch this little beast. The first thing you want to do is turn on your remote and then turn on your drone. What I like to do is hold the drone up slightly, and I like to hug the remote to the corner of my arm like this and close to my chest. You want to make sure the drone is far enough away from you that when the propellers start, they don't hit your face. So what I do is I will swipe the auto takeoff, and then the drone takes off up in the air when I hit the left joystick. Okay, so you're up in the air and your drone starts beeping that it wants to come home. What do you do? Similar to hand launching, you want to create space around you in case something goes wrong. You also want to check above you to make sure there's no obstacles in your flight path. If you're in GPS mode, switch your flight mode to ATTI mode before flying down. When you're flying in GPS mode, your GPS data is constantly being collected so that the drone determines its place in space. In ATTI mode, also known as attitude mode, GPS information isn't collected and the drone will continue moving forward in whatever direction it was going before you let go of the sticks. Imagine you're playing shuffleboard. If you move the puck continues to move in that same general direction that you moved it towards. It will slow down a little bit, but it won't make a complete stop like it does in GPS mode. So when you land it, it will glide into your hand instead of trying to counteract against the wind when you land. So once the drone is a couple hundred feet away, you want to turn the camera so it's facing away from you. And then what I like to do is I like to back up the drone towards me and then down until it's about 10 feet above me and at about an arm's length. If you have obstacle avoidance on your drone, you have the option to turn it off before you land your drone. For me personally, I don't find the need to, just because when I hold the left joystick down the whole time, the drone is going to turn off. From my experience, there are two popular ways to catch a drone. Today I'm going to show you my favorite way. Move the drone so that it's directly above you. Extend your right arm up like Lady Liberty and get ready to snatch the legs of the drone. Hold the left joystick down until the drone lands in your fingers. Now if you have the Mavic 2 Pro, it's really simple to catch this drone. You want to back up the drone closer towards you, extend your right arm like Lady Liberty, and get prepared to snatch the belly of the drone. Hold the left joystick down until the drone lands in your fingers. Do not bring the drone down to your level until the propellers are completely turned off. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, the biggest compliment for me is if you could share it with someone else that would also enjoy it. Of course, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and comment below if you have any drone questions or any drone related stories that you want to share. If you're interested, I also do personal educational consulting and hands-on workshops where I teach you how to fly over whales. More information is on my website and in the links below. See you in the next video.